How to increase MoneyLion cash advance. Let's dive right into how you can make the most of your MoneyLion cash advance. If you are a MoneyLion user, you probably know how handy those cash advances can be. But did you know there are the ways to get even more out of it? Let's explore. First things first, open up your MoneyLion account and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now let me explain what you have to do in order to boost your MoneyLion cash advance. First thing you can do is you will want to keep your MoneyLion account in good standing. Basically means making sure you are sticking to any repayment schedules and checking your account properly. By doing this, you build the trust with the platform, which could lead to higher cash advance limit in the future. Now let's talk about your Credit Builder Plus membership. If you are not already making use of it, consider upgrading. It might come with a small monthly fee, but it often provides a higher cash advance limit and additional perks like credit honoring, credit monitoring, and option to build the credit. Another tip is to directly deposit your paycheck into a MoneyLion account. This can often bump up the amount you are eligible to borrow because MoneyLion can see your income flow more clearly. Don't forget, using MoneyLion regularly for various financial transactions can also help. So you are the active member, not just popping in for the advances. And finally, keep monitoring the app for any promos or offers. MoneyLion sometimes run specials that could increase your cash advance limit or reduce the fee, so stay alert. There you have it, a straightforward path to boosting your MoneyLion cash advance. Give these tips to go and potentially unlock more financial flexibility. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.